Alright, welcome back, lawn amateurs. I wanted to shoot this quick video from this is a 48-hour update from when I sprayed the Spectracide weed and grass killer. Just wanted to show you guys the results. It's gonna be a quick little video. As you can see, these plants here in the weeds, basically they're done. They're wiped out. And this is 48 hours. Let's go to the next side. This is the other area I sprayed. As you see here, the grass here is turning another color, showing some discolor. Yep. So I say about another day or two, those things should be completely wiped out. I also want to stay tuned, because we're going to talk about removing moss. So I didn't state that in the first video when I shot it. But yeah, I got a lot of moss over here, so that's going to be another video. We're going to talk about removing the moss. I don't know if I sprayed this one. Maybe I might have missed this weed here, so I might have to go over it again. So that one's gonna get another respray. But yeah, I got quite a bit of little moss over here. This like, as you can see here, is my my mulch bed, and it stays pretty moist. It doesn't get a lot of sun on a day-to-day, so that's how the moss is actually pretty much forming over here in the mulch bed. Here's another spot that I sprayed with the Spectracide weed and grass killer, and you see the results. Let's get a little close up. So like I said, that stuff is not bad. I've been using it for about full season now, so, and I really have no complaints. Look, this is another spot. So the stuff does actually work. And there's, like I said before, this is a glyphosate alternative. So if for you guys that don't like to use glyphosate for for personal reasons, this is another alternative. Let's go to the other side now. See, he's stripping the plants of its color. Well, stripping the grass of its color and basically choking it out. So it's not a bad product. You can get it fairly cheap, about a gallon for about 10-11 bucks. This was the Spectracide weed and grass killer with extended control. It's supposed to control for about three to 5 months, somewhere in between there. And this is only just one application, so I'll probably hit it again with another application, maybe in 2 days if I don't like the results. But so far, this is one application, and look how it's doing to the weeds and grass here. So it's not bad. So when you're ready to lay down your mulch, or your flower beds, or anything, or even on your walkways and patios, it's a good product to have on hand. Let's go around to the front. This was another area I sprayed. See, it's choking the plant out, or choking the weed out. It's not bad. So it's like I said, it's another alternative for your if people don't want to use glyphosate, then you can use the weed and the Spectracide weed and grass killer. I forgot what the active ingredient is called, but it's not glyphosate. So just check it out. Another spot. 48-hour update. So thank you for tuning in. Just wanted to make this quick video for you guys to let you know how the product did. And it's not bad. Take care. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next video.